Hey guys, today's video I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys.
All those days trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it so that I'm able to bring more videos to you guys in the future that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's just jump into today's video. And today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. And it is a small haul because I'm trying not to buy things unless I really need them in Dollar Tree. As you guys have seen in my previous videos, if you guys are a subscriber already, I can overspend in Dollar Tree and then I'll have just a closet full of things that I don't need and that, I never use and stuff like that. Even though they were $1 and they were wonderful, then I started becoming a pack rat and I don't like to live that way. So I have some things that I saw that were new that I'm going to talk to you guys about, and if I didn't get them, I'm actually going to find a picture for you guys online, hopefully on the Dollar Tree website, and show them to you what I'm talking about, because I didn't want to bring my camera out in Dollar Tree because, again, like with the quarantine and the coronavirus, I just want to go in and out, and I don't want to take the camera out and try to take pictures and stuff like that and then like contaminate my phone or my camera and stuff. So I'm going to share with you the little things that I got and then talk about the things that are new. So some things that I got that were new that I was like, that I'm very surprised by is they have a lot of the hard candy makeup, which I've been seeing a lot of people talk about them. A lot of people have been talking about the hard candy makeup, and I've never seen them in my Dollar Tree till recently. So this one I saw was a contour and cheek duo, and it's like this, and it's really cute. Let me see if I can get you to... It's like really cute. It's like a, I think it's like a hot pink though. I think it's going to be like part of a brighter pink for me, but I think my daughters will like it. But I want to try it. It's for $1, so I wanted to definitely try it. Hard candy at the regular stores, you know, can go for more. So I definitely, if I see it, I'm going to pick it up for $1. I also saw this lip, like it's a plumping serum hard candy gloss, and normally I wouldn't get this color, but it is just, it said it was a lip, like a plumping lip thing. So I figured that like if it plumps up your lips, then maybe I could put it like underneath, because this seems more of like a metallic color, and I'm not really into the metallic colors, but I want to try it to see how it would be maybe to put it underneath a lipstick that I do like, and then I could just plump up my lips. Another thing that I found was they had this hard candy glow all the way bronzer, and I think this is just amazing as well, like this this bronzer. So I was like, I can't wait to try that. And then they also had like some new blushes too, which this blush is kind of like a too much of a pink for me because I have very fair skin, but I think that my daughter said that she wants to try it, and it's kind of like it's a hard candy glow all the way, and it's kind of like a ombre baked blush, so it kind of has a light color in it too, to where it can be like a highlighter as well. So I thought that I would try those out, and I think I'm gonna make a video of you guys of my favorite Dollar Tree finds of makeup, because there's been so many makeup finds that I've been using on my daily makeup that I love, that for $1, you guys, if I try them and I love them, I want to share them with you guys because they're $1, and you know makeup can be really expensive. So another thing that they've been bringing out a lot lately is like the bridal stuff. Like they've been bringing a lot of wedding stuff lately, and I think it's because of the summertime. So there's a bunch of different things that they brought out for weddings, but one thing that I wanted to get was these little like trinket trays, and I thought this was so cute. They have 4 different designs that that you can get, but I only picked up 2 because these are the ones I felt like it was perfect for my house. So for me, my husband, he always calls me wifey, and my favorite color is like that teal color. So I got this for my side of the bed. This says wifey, and then because my bedroom is basically decorated in like gold, and like it's kind of like a farmhouse feel, but it has like gold accents in it. I saw this one that said love, and he also calls me love. My husband always says love. He would like my love, or I'd be calling him my love, and so I figured that this one can go on his side of the bed to hold all his stuff like that he brings like from his pockets and everything. So I picked up those. And they have, like I said, there's a lot of other things that are wedding related that I thought that they would be great, and I will have them at the end for you guys, the ones that all the different new things that they have for weddings, because a lot of the stuff that they have, you can definitely take them and turn them into DIYs. They would be amazing. So another thing that I've been seeing everybody haul, but I couldn't find until recently, were these little like calendars. And I think they are so cute. They have so many more styles than this one. I think there was like about 6 or 8 styles, but these are the 2 that I liked. And I feel like what I liked about these are perfect to put on tier trays. They're really tiny, but they're perfect to put on tier trays, because sometimes we don't know how to fill up our tier trays when the holidays are not here. Like, well, at least I don't. And so I feel like these are perfect for tier trays. And so this one I picked up is just a little house. And you can actually redo this, DIY this, and change the house up if you want. But I think it's actually cute as is. And then this one, of course, I like anything that says blessed and grateful, because we should always remember that we should be blessed and grateful. And so I liked this one as well. And again, you can DIY this as well. You can DIY both. You can actually take the little pieces from here and make DIYs from it. So I feel like this is also like a DIYer's dream, because you can take this apart and use it for multiple DIYs. You can use the house for something else. You can use a square for something else, these little pieces, and you can create so many DIYs with the pieces in it. So I think it's like a DIYer's dream. Now, even though we're in summertime, they have been bringing out their fall stuff. And yes, guys, I love fall, but I think it is kind of too early to bring out fall stuff. But again, sometimes us DIYers, we want to get a hold on some things earlier before, you know, before the fall hits, so that we can get DIYs out for you guys. So I can see why they're bringing things out early, so that we can get our DIYs done. But yeah, it's like they bring it out in June, and I think some of you people have the end of May. But they have these new little signs. We've seen these signs before, but they brought a different one out, and I think they had 4 different styles of this. I picked up this one because I feel like I don't have nothing like this at my home, and I love the color of the greens and the oranges in them, and it's saying Hello Autumn. So I picked up this one, but like I said, they had like 4 different ones that you can choose from, and one of them had like a wood grain right here. So it's actually like, if you ever want to do DIYs with wood grain, then it'll be perfect to pick them up, and you can use the wood grain for it. Another thing that I picked up that's not necessarily fall stuff, they have it all year round, but I figure I can use it to decorate for fall, is these little decoration balls. We've seen them before, you guys have seen them before, but I never picked them up before. So I picked up these 2 colors, but I feel like these would go perfect for the fall, to decorate for the fall, to add to different accents on a, you know, on a tray or anything like that to decorate with for the fall. Another thing I picked up, it was this LED projector light. My daughter saw this and she wanted to keep it in her room, and I think this is really cute for kids, because if your kids are ever scared of the dark, this actually projects something on their ceiling, so that they can just be so it's like a night light, but it's actually a cool little night light because it puts something on their ceiling. So we're gonna try this out, and if you want me to keep you posted, just let me know. Follow me on Instagram, because that's where I normally keep up different things that I find on Dollar Tree that I like. I you know, talk about them in my stories if we use them, and it's just instant to tell you guys. Now, the last things that I picked up, I told you guys I didn't pick up that much stuff, is these towels that they have at Dollar Tree. I don't know if people have seen them before, but I think they're so cute. My bathroom is mostly like grays, gray, white, and like light blue. So I saw this one that I thought was so cute, and it says, "You are the bubble. You are the bubble to my bath." I think this is so cute, and so I had to pick that one up. And then these, this one only comes with one, but it's a bigger one, and this is like a 2-pack. And this one says, "Soak your troubles away." And I feel like this is so perfect. Sometimes we do just have to soak our troubles away, and just, you know, forget about the day and just soak our troubles away, and just, I think it's perfect. And so I'm going to be redecorating my bathroom. Like, if you guys have been following me on Instagram, I shared with you guys that we bought some new vanities for the bathroom, and so we're going to be changing out the bathroom and kind of redoing that. So, you know, follow along with me, because I'll be sharing that with you guys on the things that I changed on there. But yeah, that's the things that we're going to be doing. So that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. I will have some pictures at the end of some things that I found, well, things that I saw but I didn't pick up, but I found them on the website, so you guys know that they are out there. They're really new, and I think there'll be amazing things for you guys. And yeah, that's it, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you make can just be alone, be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Shine.
That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you. Chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those lights lying by your side, like it's a fire, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.